Here is the TPI F-24-TE, and I started to open this the other day when I got it, and then I stopped because I wanted to do it on video because it looks like there's a freak show. This is how it came in this box, which I guess is the only box that there is. There's not a second box inside there. It's a very plain, generic box. And I don't like that they ship it this way because, you know, any kind of shipping abuse like this will damage the product inside. They should have put it into a second box. You can see the edges are all jacked up. So that's not too good. And then it got really bad when I opened. All I did the other day was I cut the tape and I looked inside. That was all I did. And inside here, I don't know what the heck is going on in here, but it's definitely some kind of a freak show, because we got styrofoam and cardboard all over the place. There's specks of styrofoam everywhere. And then what I really don't understand is there's cardboard within the fan. There's another piece down there. So yeah, I don't really understand how that happened. Oh, what a mess. So anyways, I'm gonna have to clean this up, which is not going to be fun because this stuff sticks to everything. So maybe vacuuming it out will be the best option. Okay, I think I contained the mess pretty well now. There's still some styrofoam within it, but I'll get it out later. So, let's see what we have here. There's no oil ports on this one. And this has been an area of inconsistency with these fans. Both the 12 and the 15 that I purchased, not the 12 and the 15, 12 and 18, had oil ports. And I heard reports from other people that some of them had the ports, some of them did not have the ports. Now this one, the date code is 91-090C, and I'm not really sure how that decrypts. So the question now becomes, is this one made before or after the other two that I have? Because some people were speculating that there was a period of time in like 2018 or 2019 where they stopped making the oil ports and then they make them again or something like that. I don't know. But this one is definitely different. The knob is a different style. The motor is a different, it's got a different paint on it. The other ones are kind of a shiny motor. This one's dull. Doesn't have quite as many of those ridiculous stickers on it. And let's see, it is 1.5 amps, 1650 RPMs. It's only a 3.5 microfarads capacitor. Oh, there's the date code. So this is from 1/2019. So it's possible that this one is older than the ones that would have the oil ports. I'm not going to play this game with sending it back and trying to get another one with it. That's funny man business. But needless to say, the ones from 2019 apparently don't have oil ports. I'll have to check the other two, the 18 and the 12, and see what the date is on there because I don't remember. So let's see here. It looks like in order to open it up, there's two little screws that have to come off. And I do want to get those take those off so that we can get the rest of the foam out of here, because I don't want styrofoam blowing all over the place. I really don't even like styrofoam to begin with. So we're gonna need a fairly small bit. I think this one should work. Now, I don't understand why this is necessary, but anybody with a typical set of tools should be able to get this off. It's just a Phillips screw and a nut. It's not hard. Unnecessary, but not hard. Okay, that's one of them out. These are not tight at all. Very easy to undo. This is a little bit stuck in there. Okay, so that's that. Both of the screws are out. And now we should be able to just open the clips, which are very difficult to open, needless to say. Jeez. That was under quite a lot of tension. No wonder it was so hard to get off. Okay, that came off easy enough. That wasn't too bad. Now I can get the styrofoam out. Bearings seem to be plenty free, although they sound very dry. That's probably just because they have to run a little bit. Okay, that takes care of all the styrofoam. Okay, so now that the suspense has been built, in the next video I'll turn it on.